Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can install and use the admin panel. So first I unzip my admin panel. Here you can see these files, and now we are going to run in browser. So when you access the directory using browser, you will redirect it to the install page. So here you can install the admin panel. You have to enter your database details here. Admin. Uh, we have to create our database first from our PHP admin or any other software which you are using to manage the database, and create your administrator. admin@admin.com password. The installation completed. We can click finish installation. Now you will get a login page. So here we can enter our login details which we created just now. We are successfully logged into our admin panel. Here you can log out. We have some sample menus here. We have admin control panel. So here we can add a new admin. Here you can change the existing password and delete admin. If you forget your password, you can click forgot password, and you can enter the email address and send me new password, and then it will send you a new password to your email address. When you create a new PHP file, we can use this blank template to create a new PHP file. So list of accounts, and you can just copy the file name here, so you will get the new page running. We are using the background dashboard bootstrap 4 template. So here you can find the documentation of that template. It's 100% free to use, so you can add a new elements use from this documentation. So it's a very good documentation, and it's have a lot of components. You can use this blank file as a new template. And one more thing, if you want to change the admin panel name or admin panel description, you can change from the inc folder and main.php. You can change this name here, version here. You can change the description here, and here is the admin functions if you want to edit. That's all. It's coming with a nice installer, so you can use that too. Thank you.